was a 2 crossroads. Each width was 5 meter, and if you run at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 70 meter and the breadth was like 45 meter and parallel to its sides. Okay, so we should find the area of the roads, and we should also find the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of 105 per meter square. So here for this, look at this picture here. So here the area of crossroads are given by the area of rectangles, right, which are PQRS and EFGH. So both the crossroads are of width 5 meter. That means PQ is equals to FG is equals to RS is equals to HE, that is equals to 5 meter. First, we shall walk along the rectangle EFGH. The area of the rectangle EFGH can be given as HE into EF. So here EF is the length of the park, that is AB, which is equals to 17 meter. So EF will be 17 meter. So the area of EFGH will be equals to 5 into 70. So that is equals to 350 meter square. Now let us walk along the rectangle PQRS. Okay, so here the area of the rectangle PQRS is equals to PQ into QR. So here QR is the breadth of the park, that is AD, which is equals to 45 meter. So QR will be 45 meter. Now the area of PQRS will be equals to 5 into 45, that will be equals to 225 meter square. And you might have noticed that we walked twice on the path that at center. So we have to remove the area involved in that walk. That is the area of a square KLMN. So here the area of KLMN is equals to KL into MN, which is 5 into 5, that is equals to 25 meter square. So now the total area of the path of the cross road is the area of a rectangle EFGH plus area of the rectangle PQRS minus area of the square, what is that? KLMN. Yeah. So which is equals to 350 plus 225 minus 25. Yeah. So what I'll get? With this we'll get the final answer, which is equals to 550 meters square. So we got the area. Now we need to find the cost. The cost of constructing the path of the rate of 105 rupees per meter square. So which is nothing but 550 into 105. So that will be equals to 57,750 rupees. Alright, so likewise we can solve the problem which involves this conversion of meters or units and our application of the conversion of units. So this is about the chapter perimeter and area.